I thought I would go into my Flight Club palette this time around. If you could do me a favor though, give this video a like. That really helps my channel out. Thanks so much. Because I'm still disappointed in that Aether Beauty, whatever, palette. So I thought I would actually just maybe put a wash of color on my lid and then use one of the shimmers. Probably I might just do, since these are right next to each other, I might just do these two right here. So this one is Flighty and then that one is Nocturnal. I'm just going to take that Flighty color. Look how pigmented that is. And yes, I didn't take my eyebrows off or anything. Wow, that's nice. I don't think did I use that color before? I don't remember. Very nice color though. So I think I'm just gonna kind of do this, you know, the half moon type shape. There we go, the oven turned off. I turned the air off in the car so that I could more easily take a video. I know some other people said they didn't mind the background noise, but I tried to take the background noise out of my previous video, and I just it doesn't work. It sounds like I'm underwater. This is a very pretty shade and it's going on very nicely. Now I'm just going to kind of blend it up and out, I guess. I think that I'm going to attempt to do either Chris Statlander's makeup, wrestler, or the last time I saw Miss Jade Cargill wrestle, she had fabulous, I think it was blue makeup, and I really, really like that. So I want to try to recreate that as well. So that's something that I'm definitely going to do on my days off. Don't know when or anything, but yes. And then also the AEW people who do makeup for the wrestlers, obviously, they have their own Instagram page. It's called AEW Glam. I'm going to link that down below if you want to see some of the stuff I've been looking at to recreate. They, of course, take photos of the wrestlers that they do makeup for, which is mostly the women, but they also do Sunny Kiss's makeup. And I know that they have done Darby Allin's makeup before as well. Train going by. Okay, well this is very nice. This is a very nice purple color. I really like that a lot. Okay, let me just get a different brush so I can go underneath. Keep going back to this blue Moto brush, but I like it a lot, actually. SM shader. So I'm just going to take that same purple on this one and just, you know, to go underneath my eyes. There's some kick up in the pan here, but I don't really care about it, but I know some people do. That's the color on my finger. There we go. Well, whatevs. I'll just pat it on with my finger. How about that? Ooh. Ooh, that is pretty. Wow, that really changed it. Gapping. Wow, yeah, I'm glad I didn't do the glitter glue. I bet it would turn out even darker. Wow, I like that. Ooh, okay. All right, sweet. I like that a lot. Okay, so I'm going to just choose a small brush here, and I'm going to do my inner corner. I'm going to use this highlighter since I have it right here, and it's been working out for me, at least for a highlighter. Man, I know I keep saying it. I need to get rid of it. Choose something different. All right. Well, that does work. Okay, I'm gonna finish my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the completed look. Super pigmented, my god. And those colors together are so pretty. I like them a lot. So yes, that was done with my Flight Club palette. It's so pretty. Anyways, I'm a weirdo. Yes, so anyways, very simple look. 2 colors, just got a matte and a shimmer. Ethereal shimmer. Anyways, yes, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little short video of me switching my makeup, and I will see you tomorrow. I'll talk to you later. Bye. I turned the air back on. It was getting really hot in here. So anyways, yes, more of the completed look. I mean, that is so pigmented, and I barely put my brush in there. That's very nice. I wish I could put lashes on right now, because they would just go so nicely with it, I think. But anyways, that is okay.